So today, while we're waiting for the ability to actually move into our house, me and the kids needed to do something. Lincoln started work 2 days ago, so we decided that we were going to go to the Fairbanks Ice Museum, which is actually really cool. It's a small area and parking is horrible, but the actual stuff is awesome. Kids had fun. The girls got to go down the slide. I didn't let Rylan because one of the key things was not to touch the ice slide. And I didn't trust Riley not to touch the ice slide. But I think they had fun. We all got to do something and get outdoors, and then we stopped at a little park and got to play for a little bit. And so we got to do something instead of just sitting in the RV like sardines in a can. But we're doing pretty good. We're just settling in, waiting it out. And that's all we can do. So trying to make as much fun of it as we can. All right, see you guys next video. Cheese. This way. I know you want to go up there, but don't go up there. If we had Daddy here, it'd be a little different. No. No. You want to go take a picture by the polar bear? After they get done? Okay. Okay, you guys don't touch it, but stand in front of it. Mommy will take a picture. Turn towards Mommy. Cheese. Can you look at me, Kara? Okay, come on. Hey, hand, meatball, hand. No, your hand. We can probably do that. Hi, Kara. Ready?
That was funny.
Good? All right. Yeah, don't get your butts wet.